Hey guys, and welcome to Petrol Ped, and welcome to the Porsche Taycan Turbo, and welcome Mrs Petrol Ped.
Morning.
I can't believe I've managed to do this again after your massive success on the channel last time when you did the Q&A. We thought we had a bit of a journey in the Taycan this morning, and we thought we would do a Q&A while you're driving along. So just 2 hours ago, I put a post out on social asking for questions, and I have to say, mate, you've got quite a few.
Brilliant, I can't wait.
But before we do that, what do you think of the Taycan?
Oh, I love it.
Oh no.
I really love it. It's just so powerful, so quiet. I mean, it's like being in a Star Trek movie.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's comfortable. You feel really safe in it. I love it.
Oh,
Sorry.
Oh no. There is one problem with it though.
Yeah, it's not really in our budget.
No, no. It's 138 grand. Maybe if you knock the 100 off the front, maybe that would be about right.
Yeah, if Porsche are feeling generous, that would be amazing. That
would be good, wouldn't it? So, shall we head to Instagram first while you're driving along? We have had so many questions. So we are going to go over to Instagram. There's some quite good ones here. We can start off with a good one from Grey Lacy Carp Angler. Do you think it's fair that Ped blames you for all the curbing on the wheels?
Absolutely not, no. And when he does it, he does get them fixed on the quiet.
Yeah, I know, yeah, true. What do you mean? Paul and Stay, Merry Christmas to both of you. Tracy, what's your favourite Christmas film?
Oh, I really love The Holiday, but I also really love Elf.
Elf, excellent. I know him! Okay, these are great. These are nice and simple to start with.
Great.
Ralph Weissang, how is life with this guy?
Oh, you know, there's always surprises. It's never dull. He's a 7. I know none of you'll know what that means.
Oh God, you're talking numbers again.
He's a Gemini, so every day's a happy day in Peter's world.
I know, I am a happy person. JPG 0616, have you ever had an interest in cars like Mr Petrol Ped?
Yes, yeah, I have.
You love cars?
I love cars.
Tell them what your first car was.
An Alfa Romeo GTV6.
That is winning in life, I'm afraid, absolutely winning in life. Oh, here's a good one. Driving with Ben wants to know, were you involved in Goodwood Speed Week, and if so, how much of a challenge was it to get it on? How long have we got on this video?
Yeah, they're not long enough to answer that question. Yes, I was very involved with it. It was a huge challenge, not least because from one day to the next you never knew whether the government were going to let you do it or not. But yeah, the team were amazing, and I'm so pleased that we pulled it off. It's all about keeping Goodwood out in the world and current and doing something different, and I think, you know, from an innovation point of view, everyone did that really, really well. So yeah, really chuffed.
Yeah, no, it was a stonking event, wasn't it? Jenkins Hector, what's it like being married to a well-known YouTuber? And then he says, what I mean is, does it bother you getting recognised, etc.?
Well, thankfully, it tends to happen when I'm not around, but when it does, I tend to just walk off with the dogs.
Yeah, when we were walking the dogs the other day. Oh, here's a good one from D-Prep Man. Does Mrs PP get intimidated by all the new complex tech in the newer cars like we're sat in?
No, not really. I mean, it's got a steering wheel, 4 wheels, and it drives, so...
And it's got a really responsive throttle, which is the only thing you're really interested in, let's face it. So they were all on Insta Stories, which is quite good. So, here we go. So, Mr. Steve Cartered. For Christmas lunch, boiled sprouts, pan-fried sprouts with shallots and lardons, or no sprouts?
Oh yeah, definitely sprouts, and definitely with pan-fried but with chestnuts.
Yeah, because we don't eat meat, so lardons we'll substitute. You do a wicked pan-fried sprouts with chestnuts, actually. Nicola Wimble, you're getting me into trouble here. Have you secretly curbed any alloys since your last Q&A confession? Merry Christmas to you both.
Well, yes.
What? What do you mean, yes?
Had to go see the nice man again.
Well, who's won? Whose car?
Your car?
Charlie?
Yeah.
What, my OZs?
Yeah.
You're kidding me?
No, had to ring them. He rang me to say, yeah, it's fine. I had to send him pictures. And then I dropped the car off and he rang me and said, oh, I don't know how to get the wheel off. So there was about an hour of panic and then he managed to fix it.
My OZs? Right, okay.
What was hilariously funny though was you had the guy come round to do whatever he was doing on the car.
Yeah.
And I came home and you said it took you an hour to get a wheel off.
Yeah.
It's exactly the same problem that the other guy had. What's his name? The guy who does the wheels? The alloy wheels guy?
Oh, I don't know which one he used.
Oh, the one in...
Oh my God. Okay,
yeah,
so...
he was super lovely and helpful.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah. Yeah.
I can't believe that's the case. Get down. We've got both the pups in the footwell on a blanket.
Thanks for that question, by the way.
Yeah, thanks. It was the same.
Helpful.
Nicola was the same question last time. Damn. We've done so. Shane Wimble, hubby of Nicola Wimble. Favourite festive tipple? Oh, that's easy.
Champagne.
Champagne.
It's not just festive.
Oh dear, I can't believe you've done that. That's unbelievable. I'm calm.
Well, they look perfect and you never knew, so
Was it before or after I had it done?
Before.
Oh wow, that's impressive.
I kept the pictures to show you.
Oh, have you? Oh, go. All right, okay. I'll put the pictures. I'll overlay the pictures now. Wow. Roger Bailey, 1361. He is a YouTuber, a Porsche YouTuber as well. Hey, boss. How best should YouTubers' wives be rewarded for putting up with their husband's obsessive behaviour?
Oh, you know, do the cleaning, the dishes.
How can I help you?
Oh, that's the annoying Porsche woman. If you say, it's like Alexa, if you say Porsche in this car, she comes up and says, how can I help you? That's not good.
What would you like to do now?
Shut up. Okay, let's head over to Facebook and see if we've got any nice questions on Facebook. Here we go. Darren Cottrell on Facebook. The best and worst aspect of being married to a social media celebrity. Well, you wouldn't know, would you? Celebrity. To a YouTuber.
Oh, I'll tell you the worst things.
Go on then.
Well, the worst thing is that you're constantly on your phone.
Yes.
And if you're not on your phone, you're editing something.
Yes.
So yeah, separating you from your phone and all of that stuff can get quite frustrating at times.
I know. Oh, you'll like this one.
I didn't answer the best
Oh,
thing.
the best bit. Oh, okay.
Oh, I cannot answer the best
No, what's
thing.
the best bit? Go on, what's the best bit?
I need to think about that.
What?
The best bit is that you get all these cars and we get to try them out.
Yeah, okay, that's cool. And I've not actually, since I let you drive this yesterday, I haven't been allowed to drive it.
Nope.
Okay, on Facebook, Clive Homer. Who's got the most and best watches?
Ooh.
Now, on your wrist right now is a very lovely watch.
Yes.
A Cartier Ballon Bleu.
Yes, it's a very lovely watch.
Yes, so she does like her watches.
Yeah, I do like watches.
And then your other watch, which I bought you.
Yeah, I've got a Longines watch, which I got for a big birthday.
A big birthday, yes, for your 21st, yeah.
So, I've got that, and then I've got a tag, which Pete bought me, which got a blue face on it, and my friends gave that to me on our wedding morning so that I could wear that and have something blue.
Yeah. Super US fan Colton Cleveringer. What electric car would you have if money wasn't a factor? And what's been the favourite car you've driven out of all the ones I've had home, other than the Club?
Well, I have to say this Porsche Taycan is the best electric car, although it's the only electric car that I've ever driven.
Yes.
and I think in terms of all the cars that Pete's brought home, which there have been many, I hasten to add, this is pretty much up there, along with Aston Martin, which was super cool.
So straight over these two roundabouts. I can't believe you curved my wheels. It's outrageous. I can't believe that. Revelation. Matthew Lamb, would you like Pete to put a big red bow on the Taycan and have it as your Christmas present this year?
Only if it were for free.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Oh, here we go. Chris Redler, money no object, what car would Mrs PP drive? And money no object, what car would she buy for Pete to drive?
Oh God. Oh. Well, to buy for Pete to drive would be a Ferrari, because that's all he ever goes on about. So that would definitely be one for him. And in terms of me, it's really tricky. I'm super keen to get a Tesla when the new Model Y comes out. I'm really a fan of electric, but the distance is really important, particularly if you've got to drive to Cornwall. Right now it's difficult to get one to
turn right, yeah.
Yeah, I know that. And I can read the signs.
I know, but the sat nav's telling you to go left, which is weird. So sorry, you were saying so Tesla Model Y. I got distracted then. Tracy Nav was about to take over. When you come out here, give it a bit of squirt.
It's a 30.
Oh yeah, okay. Well, Simon, well, good, excellent. Oh, here we go, Lottie, mate. Are you enjoying your new job?
Oh well, I kind of have only really just started it, as I'm still been handing over my old job. But yes, it's all kind of going to be much more of a focus in January. So yeah, I'm super excited.
Good. Oh, Alan Robb from Janarelli. What's it like being part of such an awesome married couple? Well, Alan, you should know because you are too. How awesome is it being married to me?
Sometimes.
I have my moments, don't I? Is that all I'm getting on that one?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Oh, here we go. This is a good one from Lorraine Beckett. Okay, on Instagram. Okay, a proper question now. Like all the others haven't been. If you could drive any of the cars Pete has reviewed this year for a European adventure, which would it be and where would you go? Apart from the fact we can't actually go across the channel at the moment.
Well, if we could go across the channel, then I'd be driving to the south of France.
Yes, we would, with the pups.
But in terms of which car, it's tricky. To be honest, he's had so many, I lose track of exactly what's been in the house.
How about that convertible 992, 911?
No, into the south of France. You're joking, aren't you?
Okay. How about, oh, the RS6, you like that? You drove that as well?
Yeah, but if I had to choose between the RS6 and this, I'd have this.
Ooh, controversial. And then same like Lorraine again. Does Pete know this Taycan isn't going back? Sadly, we're taking it back right now. We're getting to the end, I reckon. Oh, here we go. From Louis Garsing. What colour have you chosen for your new Taycan?
Blue.
Okay, Lewis Hunter on Facebook. What 3 people, dead or alive, would Mrs Petrol Ped invite for Friday night fish and chips?
Wow. Barack Obama.
Yeah.
Michelle Obama and Bill Gates.
Melinda Bates is going to be really upset with you.
Well, then let me have a 4th one.
Okay, a 4th one.
Melinda Gates.
Okay. Oh, this is a good one to finish on. From Andy Wallace. Ultimate question. Charlie or Ruby?
Charlie.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, mate, I was wicked. I can't believe you cut my wheels though. Again. I'm gonna have to.
Well, you know, I could have lied.
Yeah, I know. I did think that question might come up. I thought, no, she would have told me this time. They did quite a good repair because we ceramic coated them afterwards and didn't spot any big problems.
Yeah, well, you have such a paddy when I do curb them. I'm never going to tell you, am I?
Oh no, because you do it quite a lot. But anyway, shall we continue our drive back to Porsche GB to hand this lovely car back?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed that one. Mrs Petrol Ped, thank you for being game for a laugh.
You're welcome.
Thank you for the surprise again. I hope you enjoyed that one, guys. If you have done so, please give me a thumbs up. Comments below are always welcome, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to Petrol Ped for plenty more content to come. And I'll see you on the next film, guys. But you take care. Drive safe.
Happy Christmas.
And happy Christmas.